Hello family, welcome to my channel again. This is Lydia Security 782 is my YouTube channel. You are very much welcome wherever you are watching me from. Please follow me by subscribing to my YouTube channel and liking everything, okay? Thank you. Your presence means a lot to me. Thank you very much. Today before you, we are going to cook. We are going to cook something. If you can see, we are going to cook something is here, okay? Yeah, and here we are going to cook pasta, okay? Yes, this is the pan that we are going to use to cook our meat, that's onion. You know, pasta doesn't have a lot of work to do. It's just to boil water and mix with them and let them cook, okay? Yes, we are cooking dinner. Today I decided to invite all of you to my cooking, okay? Yes, okay. Here I have onions mixed with carrots, and this is dania, okay? And finally, what we are going to cook is this mincemeat with pasta. Let us cook together, okay? Let us cook together hadi tumaliza maneno yetu, sawa? And I thank you all kwa kunifuatilia na kunisupport. Tuko njiani road to 2000. Though si rahisi, it's not easy, but we are doing just fine. We believe that all is going just to be fine, okay? Yeah, we are cooking. Yes, our onion has turned brown, so we are going to add carrots plus tomatoes. And we cook it until iive kabisa, okay? Until the onions is cooked, okay? You see how they look? Yeah. Thank you very much, my friends, for supporting me with everything. We are cooking pasta and meat plus shrimps, eh? Thank you very much. Yes, my friends, as you can see, mchuzi wetu unaiva, nyanya yetu na carrots imepotelea. Yes, mnaona nyanya yetu imeiva kabisa, imepotea, imebaki carrots. Now we are going to add our spices. This is our spices, okay? This is our spices, okay? We have paprika, we have royco cube, we have royco cubes, we have royco powder, we have beef chili, we have garlic powder, we have timbambili ingredients. Now we add, okay? And then we mix it very carefully, okay? Very carefully. The easiest way of cooking mincemeat. This is the easiest way to cook mincemeat. Yes. After there, we add our mincemeat, okay? Very fresh. Now let's not add vizuri. Yes, then we mix them. very carefully. You see, our meat is cooking, and they look so very delicious, eh? Very delicious. And pasta is here. Pasta is almost cooked. Pasta is in fact it's already cooked. Okay, it's already cooked. So I am going to remove the pasta from the fire. Okay, yeah. Yes, our meat is almost it's cooking. Let us cook, give it some time to cook. Yes, just kuambia mtu, ladies from western part of Kenya, they know how to cook. If you are in the house, kama uko kwa nyumba from western part of Kenya, comment something down there. Okay, comment. We are the best. Ha 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 ha, lol. We are the best. Yes, we are the best. Yes, I washed them. Okay, I washed them with cold water so that zisishikane. Sawa. Yeah. After washing them and letting the water run away, I'm using this. Yes. Make sure the water is gone and is ready to be eaten. Yum, yum, yum. Yes, I put the olive oil. Okay, I put olive oil. I mix with the olive oil. Okay, yes, so that will help our pasta not to stick together. Okay, yeah, that is it. This one is very ready to be eaten. Now we just wait for the meat to be, you see. Yeah, that one is very ready, and it's done. We are waiting for, and mark you, I'm going to cook again these ones, the creams. Okay, yes, now you see our meat. This one is ready to be eaten, but because it's going to be eaten along with the pasta, it needs what? Soup. So we add water. Okay, we add water and leave it to boil. Okay, yes, and we leave it to boil. Okay, do you see how yummy they look? Very easy. I thought I should share with you guys the easiest way to cook what? Meat. Yes, it's cooking. Yeah, let it cook. Yo, I am coming, mama. Don't worry, I have a baby in the house, a child, so she wants me to keep her company. She's alone in the sitting room. Okay, yeah, they look so amazing, you know. Yeah, so that is how our cooking is going on. Yes, meanwhile, I thank all of you. I thank all of you for coming through and support. You know, without you, I am nothing. Okay. Voila! Our meat is ready. Our meat stew is very ready to be eaten. What do you think? You may miss half and done to make it complete. Okay. All right. Yes. It's Dania. Yeah, that is it. Look at that. Yeah. Thank you very much, my friends, for supporting me. Thank you very much. Let's continue growing. Let's continue subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you. I'm so happy and humbled to be your family and friends. Okay, we are going far, and God is always there to help us. So this one is very ready to eat. Okay, yes. Twin Maxi, nimepika ama sijapika? Thank you very much for joining me. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for everything. Please support my channel. Support. Okay, thank you very much. And this one is done. I put the fire off. Okay, thank you very much for joining me. May God bless you. Okay, and this is how we are going to eat our pasta. It's only remaining that I'm going to cook the creams. I am going to cook the creams to fulfill all the diet, okay, to complete the diet. Okay, so thank you very much, my friends, for joining and supporting. God bless you. Bye bye, and see you on another video. Bye.